It all started with one attack on October 7, 2023. Hamas launches its deadliest assault in Israel's history, killing around 1,200 people and taking over 250 hostages. What followed was not just another Israel-Gaza clash. It became a regional earthquake that reshaped the alliance, toppled governments, and shifted the global power in the Middle East. 2 years later, the war's impact is far bigger than Gaza. From Lebanon to Syria and to Iran and Yemen, every corner of the region has felt the aftershocks. When Israel responded with a full-scale offensive, the fight didn't stay contained. Hezbollah in Lebanon and Houthis in Yemen joined in, attacking Israel in what becomes a coordinated resistance. All these groups were part of Iran's axis of resistance, a network built over decades to counter Israel and US's influence. But this time, the strategy backfired. As Israel escalated, it hit not just Hamas, but also Hezbollah positions and even Irani's facilities. By 2024, Israel's airstrikes destroyed Hezbollah's communication and the key infrastructure. Its leader, Hassan Nasrallah, was killed, a massive blow to this group. Then, in Syria, a shocking twist. President Bashar al-Assad's 24-year rule collapsed in just 2 weeks. Cut off from Iran and Hezbollah support, Assad's regime couldn't survive the international revolt. Iran too faced its biggest challenges in the decades. For years, it avoided direct war with Israel, relying on proxies. But in 2024, that line broke. Israel and Iran clashed directly with US support, leading to a 12-day conflict that targeted Iran's nuclear facilities. The strike left Iran's region influence severely weakened. Meanwhile, Russia and China, once growing powers in the region, also lost the ground. Russia lost its all keys when Assad fell, while China's diplomatic role faded and US-Turkey stepped back in. Before the Gaza war, Beijing was mediating the peace between Iran and Saudi Arabia. But after the conflict, Washington and Ankara reasserted their dominance. Today, Turkey has emerged as a major regional power. It supports Syria's new government and is actively shaping what comes next. Egypt and Qatar have regained the importance too, mediating ceasefire and prisoners exchanges and acting as the middlemen between Israel and Hamas. And then there's Israel itself, militarily powerful but diplomatically isolated. Despite battlefield success, Israel faces pressure from allies and criticism from such of the world. France, Britain, Canada, and Australia's recognized Palestinian statehood, signaling a major diplomatic shift. In just 2 years, the Gaza conflict has changed everything. Iran's influence has shrunk, Syria has a new leader, Turkey and Egypt are back in the spotlight, and US has regained the leverage lost to China and Russia. As one analyst put it, the region hasn't just shifted, it's been redrawn. After decades of war and mistrust, there's now a fragile sense of possibility that the Middle East might finally be ready to move on from chaos towards cautious.